How does this unpowered hydrofoil fly with just a few pumps? Let's look at the principle behind it. This board has a long mast with a hydrofoil underneath. It's this foil that provides the lift. The hydrofoil is like a small underwater airplane wing. It uses Bernoulli's principle to generate lift. Bernoulli's principle states, where fluid velocity is fast, pressure is low. Where velocity is slow, pressure is high. As the foil moves, water flows faster over its curved top surface, creating low pressure. Slower water flow underneath creates high pressure. This pressure difference generates lift. The angle of attack is the foil's angle to the water flow. A greater angle of attack creates more lift. This lift raises the rider and board, reducing drag. And you don't need much speed to do it. Lift is proportional to fluid density. Since water is 800 times denser than air, the foil needs much less speed to generate the same lift. With a natural current, you need no extra power, but in calm water, how do they pump the board to fly? The key is using body movements to control lift and thrust, maintaining forward speed. First, the rider gets an initial speed. Once moving, the foil starts generating lift. First, the rider presses down with their back foot. This increases the foil's angle of attack, creating more lift. They extend their body, helping the foil generate even more lift. Then they quickly contract their body. This unweights the board, allowing the foil to ascend rapidly without drag. As the board rises, they shift their weight forward. This levels out the foil, converting lift into forward thrust and speed. By repeating this cycle, the rider maintains lift and glides stably. It looks easy, but learning isn't. It requires significant technique and physical strength. A good way to start is with a tow rope to practice balance. With enough speed, the board will lift. There's also the electric hydrofoil. It's much simpler, using a propeller for power. This lets you easily experience the feeling of flying over water.